Stop. Stop.
Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. Today we're going to do the emergency stop, something that may come up in your driving test. We're going to show you exactly the mistakes that students can make, as you're going to see in this clip, and what examiners expect from you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Go to our channel, FM Driving School, for more details on how to pass your driving test. You can always go to our site, fmdrivingschool.co.uk, for more information. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Stop. Okay, Wally, what we're now going to do is emergency stop. I'm going to give you the sign stop. When I do the emergency stop the way you were taught.
Okay.
Alright, so whenever you're ready, move on from here. Stop. Okay, move on from here. Okay. 6-1 check was like a real quick one, yeah. Well, right, turn left. So once you stop, do your checks thoroughly, then move. Okay. Number 2, you're a bit slow, bro. Do you get me? Don't make it too bait. You're driving slow. You're expecting it. So next time, build up your speed a little bit more.
Alright, cool.
We'll do it one more time here. So try to get up to 20 if there's space.
Alright, cool.
So we'll do it now, okay? Stop. Okay, move on from here.
Was that alright?
Okay.
I stopped a little.
Yeah, you did, yeah. So there was a second delay, and then you're a bit too smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. So when the first time when I said it, you did it straight away. You do it one more time. Okay, so when I say it, do it straight away.
Alright, cool.
Turn right here.
Right, they're right here.
Yeah. So the first time we did it,
Yeah.
you were at 40 miles an hour, bro. Do you get me?
Cool, cool.
So build up your speed. We'll get a chance to do it here though. So drive. So build up your speed. Get up to 15, 17, 18. Yeah, there we go. It's a big difference. Stop. Okay, move on from here, please. And that's the maneuver for you, okay? Let's drive.
There you have it. These are some of the mistakes a student may commit in the driving test. Now, the emergency stop isn't compulsory. You may not be doing it on the driving test, or you may be doing it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Go to our site, fmdrivingschool.co.uk, for more tips on how to pass your driving test.